What can I say instead of bye? Knowing how and when to say goodbye is often difficult, even in informal situations. But learning to say goodbye eloquently, tactfully, and appropriately is a skill that will help you maintain your relationships and let people know you care. It's also easier than it seems sometimes. Read on to learn how to recognize opportunities and anticipate others' needs when you leave. Saying short-term goodbyes. Recognize when to leave. When you're at any kind of party or gathering, or even a one-on-one conversation, it can be difficult to get away. Learning to recognize good opportunities to leave will make a short-term goodbye much easier. Watch body language. Overstaying your welcome is rude, but it can often be difficult to distinguish. People don't like telling you that they'd like you to leave, so try to watch for signals. This may be some other family members starting to pack up or the fact that there is hardly anyone left. Make plans to see each other again. Even saying, "See you at school tomorrow," or "Can't wait to see you again at Christmas," keeps the goodbye light and focused forward. If you haven't already made plans, use it as an opportunity to make them. Even saying, "See you soon," suggests just that. Set up a coffee date or meet for lunch later in the week if it makes the goodbye easier, but don't commit to anything you don't want to. It's okay to just leave. Tell the truth. It can be tempting to come up with a good excuse when you're ready to leave. You don't need to. Lying could also make them feel hurt if they find out you didn't mean it. If you want to leave, just say, "I'm going to go now, see you later." It doesn't need to be any more complicated than that. If you want to extract from a conversation you're ready to end, "I'll talk to you later," is likewise plenty. Plan an appropriate time to talk before the departure. If someone you know is leaving for several years to go overseas, or leaving for college, it can be a stressful and hectic time while they're planning a trip. Set up a definitive time and place to meet and say goodbye. Likewise, prioritize your goodbyes if you're the one doing the leaving. Don't make plans with people you don't really care about saying goodbye to and forget to see your sister. Talk about the good times you've had. Recount your funniest stories, reminisce about happy things. Dig deep into your past. The things you've done together, the things that happened while you were friends, the time you have spent together, maybe even how you met. Be open and friendly. It's important to establish the standing of the relationship. If you want to keep in contact, let them know. Exchange email, phone, and address information. When it's time to leave, make it brief and sincere. Most people don't enjoy a long, drawn-out goodbye, but make your goodbye personal. If you need to express complicated feelings, consider writing them in a letter for the person to read later. In person, keep things light and fun. Hug, say your piece, and wish them luck in their journey. Don't overstay your welcome. If you're leaving for a long time and can't take everything with you, giving stuff away can be a nice gesture and solidify a relationship. Let your band buddy hang onto your old guitar while you're gone, or give your sibling a meaningful book they'll remember you by. Follow up. Stay in touch if you'd made plans to stay in touch. Talk on Skype or write funny postcards. If you gradually lose touch with a friend or loved one you sincerely would like to hear from, make an extra effort. If it seems as if your friend has become too busy, try not to get too upset. Let things drift back together naturally. Keep your expectations for communication realistic. A friend going to college will make new friends and might not be able to keep up a weekly phone exchange.